tō marae o te Wairoa. Ko maringi ahau.
Kia ora, ko tā moe ahau.
We are your friendly kaihono of Tahia te Marae ki te Wairoa. Over the next few months, we'll be rolling out some awesome kaupapa right here on your beautiful marae. These came about as a result of a survey that we put out to you all at the end of last year, asking some of your whakaaro and thoughts on your hopes, your dreams, your aspirations for our people here of Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Rangi and Ngāti Pongo.
In the survey last year, you told us that these kaupapa are the most important things to you. Tikanga and marae, health and well-being, education and housing, and the list goes on.
Hey Nan, my mahi wants me to organise a cultural training.
What's that?
Goes like this. Te aroha, te whakapono.
Whakahokia ki ngā riporipo te wai ki pāorangi ki te wai.
Mā Wairoa e Taurima, a series of 3 workshops that will be running over the next 3 months here on our marae.
Kia ora koutou. So the 3 workshops will be focused on the significant roles that are held here within our wharenui, such as those relating to the paitapu and also kaikaranga for our wahine.
So whānau, how can you help us? Tā moi.
Right, well you can come and see us at the Marae office and you can fill in a form, or you can fill in a digital copy online on, I keep looking over there.
Just look in the mouth.